Using Spectrum Remote on Roku TV. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to use Spectrum Remote with Roku TV. So let's get started. First turn on your Roku TV, make sure your TV is powered on before you begin. Then use new batteries to avoid setup interruptions. The model number is usually printed on the back or inside the battery compartment. This can help if model specific steps are needed. Now put the remote into pairing mode. For this, hold menu and OK together until the input button flashes twice. This means the remote is ready to be programmed. Then use the auto search method. Point the remote at your Roku TV, press TV power once. Then hold the up arrow until the TV shuts off. This allows the remote to scan for the correct control code. After that, confirm if it worked. Press TV power again to turn the TV back on, then test volume and input buttons to ensure everything is responding correctly. After that, try manual code entry if needed. If auto search fails, enter a Roku TV code instead. Hold menu and OK until you see the two flashes, then type a working code such as 11756 or 2049 or 12434. After that, test and repeat if necessary. Press TV power and try another button. If it does not function properly, repeat the process using another code. And that's how you will be able to use Spectrum Remote with Roku TV.